Okay, Leo, it's time for bed.
Mom, can you tell me a story tonight?
What kind of story do you want?
A fun one!
All right, today's story is about a very special boy. His name is Kind-Hearted Leo.
Once upon a time, in a small and peaceful town, there lived a little boy named Leo. Leo was not the strongest boy, and he was not the fastest boy, but he had something very special, a very kind heart. One rainy afternoon, Leo was walking back home from school. The sky was gray, and the rain was falling softly all around him. As he walked along the quiet street, he suddenly heard a small sound. It was very soft at first, almost lost in the rain. But then he heard it again. It was a tiny puppy, sitting all alone in the rain. The little puppy was wet and shivering. It looked scared and lost, with no one around to help it. Leo stopped walking. He looked at the puppy for a moment, and his heart felt heavy. Then gently, he said that the puppy did not need to be afraid, because he would help it. Carefully, Leo picked up the small puppy and held it close to keep it warm. He covered it with his jacket and quickly walked home through the rain. When Leo reached home, he softly dried the puppy with a towel. He gave it some warm milk and stayed beside it so it would not feel alone. Slowly, the puppy stopped shaking. It began to feel safe, and for the first time, it trusted Leo. The next morning, Leo decided to find the puppy's home. He walked around the neighborhood, carrying the puppy in his arms, asking people if it belonged to them. After some time, a little girl came running toward him. She looked very worried, but the moment she saw the puppy, her face lit up with happiness. She said that it was her puppy, and she had been looking for it everywhere. The puppy wagged its tail and jumped into her arms. The little girl smiled and thanked Leo with all her heart. Leo smiled back, feeling warm and happy inside. That day, Leo learned something very important, that even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. And from that day on, the little puppy was never lost again. And Leo's kind heart continued to shine wherever he went.
And that, Leo, was the story of Kind-Hearted Leo.
Mom, I like that story. I want to be kind like him.
You already are my little kind-hearted Leo. Good night, my little Leo.